specialtymotorcars.net. Papa Bear behind the wheel. We're heading up way up on a little bit of a road trip today. We're going north this time. How beautiful north is. We're in probably the middle of New Hampshire right now, you think, Dad?
Yeah.
Ooh, a little bumpy. Beautiful mountainous. Where are we going, you might ask? Well, right now I should be taking pictures of the next car that's going to be available for sale, which is what I planned to do today, but all that got thrown by the wayside because I got an opportunity to drive 3.5 hours, basically almost to the Canadian border, northern Vermont, way up in Vermont, to go look at a 1993 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham with 19,000 original miles on it. How a car like this is stuck so far north up in Vermont is beyond me, but we're on our way to go take a look at it. Come along for the ride. We'll take you along. Welcome to Vermont, the Green Mountain State. And now the last 2 miles is all dirt road. But it is absolutely beautiful up here. But it's funny, trees are just starting to show buds. Boy, oh boy. What do you think, Dad? You think this is going to be a nice one?
I think it's going to be a beautiful car.
Last time we picked up a Cadillac in Vermont, it was down dirt roads, up hills, just like this. Actually close to the Canadian border too. It was that 1987 Brougham d'Elegance red one. About 2 years ago. I think I sold to Frank. That was the car.
That was a beautiful car.
That was a beautiful car too. But here we are at it again. There it is. Pull into the driveway. These are original Michelin XW4 tires, factory chrome wheels, Vogue center caps. Aftermarket cloth top, gold emblems. Absolutely beautiful inside. Leather is, looks like something might have got in there. Look at this, absolutely no wear at all. Dashboard is perfect. Cassette deck. Non-smoker's car, obviously. Beautiful black cherry paint. Walking gas door. Kelly Cadillac was the original selling dealer.
He was going to win somehow, wasn't he?
That's cool. $19,069 miles. We do have a charge light. Slightly concerning. We have to drive 3 hours back.
You open the trunk, Anthony?
Yeah.
You didn't happen to see it in there, did you? That caps?
Okay, take your time.
Nice plate.
I'm slightly concerned that the tires are original drive back on them, but we'll just have to take our time. Right?
Yeah. They're not that good.
They're from 1993.
Really?
Yep. Those are XW4s. I'm gonna call her and let her know.
Because I'm thinking if we get another 3.5 hours,
Sure.
we won't be back till 8:30, and then we're gonna drive a little slower because of the tires.
OMG. 19,000 miles on this absolutely stunning 93 Fleetwood. So here's a little bit of a twist. We're 3.5 hours away. 2 miles on this dirt road till we get back to pavement. There's not an auto parts store within 20 miles of us. The battery in this car, I kind of came ill prepared. The battery in this car is 10 years old. It's a 10-year-old Walmart battery. I'm hoping we don't even have jumper cables with us. The battery's old. The tires are original Michelin XW4s from 1993. I have no cell service. And yeah, so I can't even look to see where there's an auto parts store. I would like to put a battery in this car because I don't want to get stranded. The tires I can deal with. Obviously, I can drive slow, but as I touch the brake pedal, I can almost kind of see the dash lights dim. So they did have a fuse pulled out for the blower. The blower stays on after you shut the car off. But this car is absolutely flawlessly gorgeous. Farm living is the life for me. But darling, I love you. Please buy me a Buick Park Avenue or a Cadillac. I'm ready to get a battery put in this thing because we got probably a solid 3-hour ride home. It's 6 o'clock-ish now. By the time we get back, it'll be 9. I don't know if this car is going to make it on that battery just off the alternator on the way home. And I don't want to put stress on the alternator, but we're kind of, I don't want to say we're ill-prepared. I would have assumed that if they were selling a car, it would have had a good battery, but I wasn't going to leave it for that reason. So, but we're getting close to the highway. Man, this is a nice car. So this car, they bought this car on eBay back in 2003. And she even printed the original eBay listing, which I have. I'll show you in a minute. It's just crazy to see how eBay has changed, like even their format on how they, had the auction listed. The layout of the auctions and stuff. It was really cool to have that with the car. It was one previous owner to them, so they're the second owners. They bought the car in 2003 with 10,000 miles. And now the car is 19,000. And back in 2003, if anybody's curious, they paid $13,000 for this car. And they bought it. They're so off the beaten path up here. They loved Cadillacs. They bought it to replace a 94 Brougham, I think it was. That was it was really rough. But she showed me pictures of it. Her husband was in that car. And he hit a tree with it. And survived, and the car was destroyed. So they love these cars, so they bought this one kind of as a nice, I don't want to say a retirement car, but as a nice, driver. But they lived on a dirt road, didn't drive it much. They took it down to up to Montreal a couple times, the casinos and whatnot. But man, what a phenomenal car. Original XW4 tires. It's got the factory chrome Cadillac wheels with gold chipped Vogue centers. It's got the canvas top on it. It is a Brougham package, but what a real nice piece. I'm not sure if one of these tires is about to blow apart on me. I am going to pull over and have a look because starting to hear a little bit of a thumping noise. But so far, she's been doing all right. I do got to get gas soon, and I still don't have a battery. Don't know what we're going to do about that because there's not an AutoZone or an auto parts store that's open till basically we get close enough to home that I might as well just keep driving back. But here we go. We'll see what this thing does. How to tell that these cars are mint. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. And even this B-pillar. No separation from the cloth. It's absolutely perfect. Pulled off. We're in Franconia Notch. Absolutely gorgeous here. Look at this. This is unbelievable. Welcome to New Hampshire. What do you think, Papa Bear?
I think it's beautiful.
This car is gorgeous.
Is it?
This car is real
I bet
gorgeous.
you it rides really nice.
Oh my goodness. Absolutely beautiful.
What a nice car, huh?
Yeah, and what a nice view, huh?
Oh, the mountains.
Wow. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. Franconia Notch, New Hampshire. Looks like there's a little fall over there. Wow. How beautiful the water is. This is probably one of the nicest parts of New Hampshire. White Mountains, Franconia Notch. It's absolutely gorgeous. Oh my God, this car is so nice. This is going to be a tough one to choose. The 93, the white one that I just saw with the cranberry top, or this. This car is just so magnificent. I mean, look at the condition of the roof. Perfect top. No rust on this car. Just a real nice Fleetwood Brougham. Ready to go?
Ready to go. You see those beautiful mountains?
Yeah, the man on the mountain ain't up there no more, though.
No. This beautiful car looks great in front of us.
I'll take some pictures before we go. Look at that, huh?
Can you follow me? Don't go so fast in that beautiful
Yeah,
car.
not with these tires. That battery, the battery charge light did go out after we took the battery charger off that was there. So just starting to get dusk. We have probably about 2 hours left of driving. So we're gonna see how far we can get before this thing dies. So we're cruising and I got headlights on, but every time I touch the brake, the lights on the dash like dim out real quickly. So trying not to use the brake. The tires, it's still kind of thumping, but I think it's just at a certain speed, 60 or so, 60 to 65 they thump. Not that I'm trying to speed, but I'm also trying to get home as soon as I can before it's pitch black out. But we're about 20 to 25 minutes. Oh my goodness. It's 5 minutes past 9 o'clock at night. I feel bad. My dad's usually in bed at this time. He gets up so early in the morning, but we made it back to my shop. The car hasn't died. I'm gonna pull in front of the door. I'm gonna shut it off, and we'll see if it starts back up again. I bet it won't start. Oh, I have a tire delivery too. Those are white walls. Those are for the 04 Town Car Ultimate L. 19,276 miles. I'm gonna shut the lights off. Do you think it's gonna start again? Let's see what it does. I'm gonna shut it off. Nope. Dead as a door now. Well, almost. But hey, it made it back. She made it. Dark cherry made it. She's got some bugs. She's got some bugs up in her radiator grill. Poor Papa Bear should be in bed by now. It's all right.
It was worth the trip.
Papa Bear, any last words?
No.
Brougham Rescue.
Every time we come back with another car, I don't know if it should be the company car or not, but I just can't confuse myself with all these beautiful automobiles.
This one might have to be Papa Bear company car.
No.
No.
We'll
For
move it
sale
along.
soon. For
Somebody
sale real
will love
soon.
it.